Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you backup pictures from iPhone. So guys, to backup pictures from iPhone you can backup pictures through iCloud. So to turn on iCloud, go to settings. In the top, click on your profile. Here you can see iCloud, this option, click on it. And after clicking on iCloud, here you can see photos, click on photos. Now all you need to do is just click on this sync this iPhone option. If you click on this sync this iPhone option, your iCloud will be back up the photos. You also need to keep in mind that your iCloud has only 5 GB of storage. So if you want to back up more photos than 5 GB, then you may need to upgrade your iCloud. So guys, that's how you can do this. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.